Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In this video, I'm going to discuss the topic from 4th chapter of class 11th chemistry, and the topic is types of overlapping and nature of the covalent bonds. We have read about the covalent bonds and how this overlapping that takes place in case of the covalent bond I'm going to discuss in this video. Now, this covalent bond that is of two types. One is sigma bond and another is pi bond. So the first type, that is sigma. Its symbol is like this, sigma bond, and second one, that is the pi bond, and its symbol is pi. Okay. First we will study about the sigma bond, that what sigma bond is. Sigma bond is formed when the overlapping takes place head-on. Means the overlapping is end to end of the two bonding orbitals along the internuclear axis. And this bond that is stronger because there is head-on, or you can say end-to-end overlapping. Now, this sigma bond that results by the overlapping of different orbitals. So, it is further classified into three types of the overlapping that I am going to discuss. So, the sigma bond, first I am taking the sigma bond. Here, three types of the overlapping that takes place. The first one is SS overlapping. So what do you mean by SS overlapping? That is the two orbitals, two SS orbitals of two atoms which will be bonded together, they will overlap along the internuclear axis. So I will depict this type of the bonding. Suppose this is one s orbital that is spherical in shape, that you know. The second s orbital, this is again spherical in shape, s orbital. So what will be the result? This will result in SS overlapping. So there is head-on overlapping of the 2s orbital, and this will result in SS overlapping. So first type of the overlapping in case of sigma bond, that is SS orbital, where the two s orbitals, they will overlap end to end. Now the second type of the overlapping in case of sigma bond is SP overlapping. What do you mean by this SP overlapping? Here, the two orbitals, or you can say the two atoms, one with the s orbital and another with the p orbital, they get overlapped along the internuclear axis. This is known as SP overlapping. So I will draw again this. Suppose this is s orbital, that is spherical in shape, and you know that p orbital, that is dumbbell shaped. The other atom, this is s orbital and this is p orbital. Okay. Now what will be the result? What will be the result? There will be sp overlapping. This is s orbital. So this will result in S I am depicting with black pen and P with red pen. So here overlapping, that will take place like this. And what is this? This is sp overlapping. Clear? Now what will be the third type of the overlapping that I am going to tell you? That will be pp overlapping. Here the two orbitals from the two atoms, and which orbitals? Two p orbitals from the two atoms, they will be bonded together, they will get overlapped, and this will result in the formation of pp overlapping. So this is p orbital of one atom, okay, and this is p orbital of second atom, and this will result in the head-on overlapping of pp orbital. So the result will be, this is one and this is another. There is pp overlapping. Clear to all of you? So I have told you that in case of sigma bond, there are three types of the overlapping. One is SS overlapping, where the two s orbitals, they get overlapped. Second is sp overlapping, where one s and another p orbital, they get overlapped and they will result in the sp overlapping. And in the third case, pp overlapping, where the p orbitals from the two atoms, they will overlap end to end, and they will result in the formation of pp overlapping. Now come to pi bond. The next, that is the pi bond. So here we will do pi bond. How this pi bond is formed, I am going to tell you. In case of sigma bond, I have told you that head-on overlapping is there or end-to-end overlapping is there. But in case of pi bond, sideways overlapping is there. Okay? The axes, they will remain parallel to each other and they are perpendicular to the internuclear axis. Okay? I am going to depict this, that how this sideways overlapping is there. Okay? So this is p orbital, and this is again the p orbital of another atom. What will be the result? They will get overlapped sideways. Okay, and this will result in the formation of pi bond. You can depict it like two saucers, one above and another below the axis. Okay, so this is pi bonding. Now, the next question is this. I want to discuss about the strength of the sigma and the pi bond. In case of sigma bond, as there is head-on overlapping or end-to-end overlapping, so I told you that this is a stronger. Why? Because the strength, it depends upon the extent of overlapping. So in case of sigma bond, the extent of overlapping, that is more. That is why it is stronger. While in the case of pi bonding, the extent of overlap, that is less, so it is weaker than sigma bond. And one thing I want to tell you, that whenever we discuss the case of the molecules in which there is multiple bonding, means double or triple bond is there, okay? In that case, you must remember that pi bond is in addition to the sigma bond. There must be one sigma bond between the molecule and between the atoms of the molecule, and pi bonds, they will be in addition to that. So this question is important, that what is sigma bond, what is pi bond, write the difference between the two and which among these two they are stronger bonds. So with this, my topic, which is important, which can be asked in your exams, that is finished. I will come in the next video with another concept of class 11 chemistry. Till then, thank you very much.